Hello! In this video I'm going to be talking about the different types of QRF buckles we offer. In the QRF buckles you have a male piece and a female piece. They connect together and they hold really well. When you want to attach them you have two options. Either with the single slit you lead it through and you have to sew it shut, sew it on, so it doesn't move anywhere. Alternatively, you can use this double lock, in which you lead it through once and again, then through the male piece or through the piece you want to attach, and then you go back through here and through the second slit, like so. Once this is done, it is quite secure, it doesn't move, and there's almost no chance of it falling out. Other than the single slits, we offer a self-locking male piece and an adjustable male piece. So for the self-locking one, it is pretty easy. There are 3 slots, one is a double, 2 are singles, so you just lead it in through the first one, second one, and the third one, and then you just lead it back like this through the double slit. Once you tighten it, it is going to be held in place really well, it's not going to move anywhere. And the last one is a simple ladder lock. They have 2 single slits and they are used for locking, for example, D-rings onto your belt, or for locking stuff you don't want to move around on your belt. It is pretty simple. You just take it through one side, through the other side, tighten whatever you want on the loop, and just pull it shut. And now it's really secure on there. It doesn't move anywhere. We offer the single slits in both stainless steel and in titanium. Thank you for your attention, and if you have any further questions, please consult the user manual or send us a question through email or through Facebook.